Good afternoon to respected principal sir, teachers and my dear children. Today we class second students are presenting an activity on environmental studies. Environmental studies are nothing but what we are seeing around us. Thank you sir for giving this opportunity.
My name is Ara Kaburia, study in second class. Today we student grade 2 are performing an activity on environmental studies. I am going to tell about planets. There are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Anas Mehboob. I am studying second class. Today I am going to tell about Earth. Earth is the third planet and it supports life. Earth gets light and heat from the sun. Earth is covered by 3/4 of water. It is also called as blue planet. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Harish Parekh. I am studying in second class. Today we will learn about heavenly bodies. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is P. Banas. I am studying in second class. Today I am telling about heavenly bodies. There are sun, moon, stars and earth is a sun. It gives us light and heat. There are countless stars in the sky. Moon appears in the night. Earth is a planet we live. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is M. Sathik. I am studying in second class. Today I am going to tell about directions. We have 4 directions: east, west, north, south. Sun rises in east, sunset in west. Sun helps us to find time. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is T. Anvika. I am studying in second class. Today I am going to tell you about different types of communication. Communication helps us to stay connected with our near and dear. Letter, telephone, radio, newspaper, magazines and computer are some different types of communication. Thank you sir and thank you teacher. Miss Kavina, I am studying in second class. Today I am going to tell you about Independence Day. We got independence on 1947 from British rule. On this day, we hoist our national flag on Red Fort in Delhi. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Kasrivani. I am studying in second class. Today I am going to tell about Republic Day. It is celebrated on 26 January every year. There will be grand parade by the Army, Navy and Air Force at Rajpath and the President of India takes the salute. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is K. Pavani. I am studying in second class. Today I am telling about Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti celebrated on 2nd October every year. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He is also known as father of a nation. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is P. Pragnya. I am studying in second class. Today I am going to telling about religious festival Diwali. Diwali is most popular festival of Hindus. It is called Festival of Lights. People wear new clothes and exchange sweets. Divyas are lit and children burst crackers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sania Fatima. I am studying in second class. Today I am going to tell about Holi. Holi is called Festival of Colors. It marks the victory of good over evil. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ananya. I am studying in second class. Today I am going to telling about Harvest Festival. Pongal. Pongal is called Sankranti in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. It is called Pongal in Tamil Nadu. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Jirakshita, studying in second class. Today telling about Onam. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. Flowers and rangolis are made during this festival. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Via Janelu. I am studying in second class. Today I am going to tell about Dasara. Dasara is the festival of Hindus. It is celebrated for 11 days. It is known as Vijayadashami. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Larshita. I am studying in second class. Today going to tell about seasons. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Vipujita. I am studying in second class. Today I am going to tell about summer season. Summer season became in April and lit till June. It is very hot. We wear cotton clothes in this season and we eat ice creams and drink lot of juice. Hello everyone, my name is M. Akshara. I am studying in second class. Today I am tell about winter season. It is very cold in winter season. We with hot season soups. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Swarshini, studying in second class. Today I am going to tell about air. All living things need air. There is air all around us. We cannot see air, but we can feel air. Gentle wind is called breeze. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Keshav Kumar. I am studying in second class. Today I am telling water. We use water like drinking, brushing, washing hands and watering plants. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is K. Madhu. I am studying in second class. I am going to tell about sources of water, and we get water from lake, forest, stream. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Binishan. I am studying in second class. I tell about water. All living things need water. Earth is made up 3/4 water, 1/4 land. We use water for many activities. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Shishivardhan, studying in second class. Today planet Mars is red planet. Jupiter is biggest planet. Mars. Thank you.